heads. Let's get to our mid-cap spotlight segment. Surbhi is here to talk about Shakti Pumps. Surbhi.
Thanks so much for that. So Shakti Pumps is on our radar. That is because the company has received the first work order from Kusum 3 scheme from the Haryana Renewable Energy Department for installation of 7,781 solar pumps. Now the work order is of 358 crores. Kusum 3 scheme was launched back in 2019, but these orders were getting delayed. They were in the pipeline, so now the orders have started coming in. In Q1 of FY24, also management had reiterated that in March 2023, Solar Energy Corporation had sanctioned the release of nearly 9 lakh pumps, but the letter of empanelment was taking some time. Now the company expects to start the execution of these Kusum 3 orders in September. They anticipate a monthly installation capacity of 10 to 15,000 pumps, and in the next 2 years they see an opportunity size of nearly 1 lakh pumps, and for that they have the capacity ready in place. On the back of this, they expect a 20 to 25% revenue growth for FY24 with margins of 10%, which they haven't seen in the last 3 fiscals. So this will be a big growth trigger for Shakti Pumps.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for explaining that to us, Surbhi. So 20% higher for Shakti Pumps. We'll do one thing, slip into a short break.